Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro. Begin with accessing Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then type in Send Anywhere. And install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on the other device. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. From here, you need to select Receive on HUAWEI and Send at the bottom left corner of your Android. Now click on all of those type of dots and when you're ready, hit Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go into Photos category at the top, click on only one, choose Send and tap on Got it. Now you need to choose Yes I agree or No thanks on HUAWEI and tap on Close this window. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by choosing scanning icon next to input key on HUAWEI, choosing Allow in the pop-up and pointing our camera at this QR code. But we can also input this key over here as well and tap on Receive. And now, as you can see, after a while, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!